हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल जी के अपडेट विद उन्नति। अगर आप चैनल में न्यू हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें, वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें एंड नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लें, जिससे आपको हमारे न्यू वीडियो की अपडेट मिलती रहे। तो आज के वीडियो में हम 25 जुलाई 2025 के टॉप 30 इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स MCQ गो थ्रू करेंगे, जो कि आपके अपकमिंग एग्जाम्स के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है। वीडियो के लास्ट में प्रीवियस डे के करंट अफेयर्स के क्वेश्चन होते हैं, जिनके आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताने होते हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। वर्ल्ड एम्ब्रियोलॉजिस्ट डे इज ऑब्जर्व्ड एवरी ईयर ऑन, एंड द आंसर इज 25 जुलाई। Second question, the 4th edition of World Food India will be held in, and the answer is Delhi. Third question, India's first fully AI native fintech platform called Next Banking was launched by, and the answer is Laraware. Fourth question, which country has recently emerged as the largest importer of Indian electronic goods? And the answer is USA. Fifth question, as per Morgan Stanley's report, India will become world's third largest economy by which year? And the answer is 2028. Sixth question, which state government launched the Chief Minister's Foreign Language Initiative for Global Human Talent? And the answer is Assam. Seventh question, National Mango Day is observed every year on, and the answer is 22nd July. Eighth question, the Indian Army decided to sponsor the education of Sawan Singh from which state? And the answer is Punjab. Ninth question, which city is the host of IUCN World Conservation Congress 2025? And the answer is Abu Dhabi. 10th question, Chola Gangnam Lake that was recently seen in news is located in which state? And the answer is Tamil Nadu. 11th question, which institution leads the WIFEX Winter Fog Experiment Project 2025? And the answer is Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology. 12th question, Typhoon Block 4 is the hypersonic ballistic missile developed by which country? And the answer is Turkey. 13th question, who became the first player from India to advance to the FIDE Women's World Cup final? And the answer is Divya Deshmukh. 14th question, under which project have ISRO and NIOT signed an MOU to develop the Deep Ocean Human Submersible Matsya 6000? And the answer is Samudrayan mission. 15th question, India's first 50 kilowatt geothermal power plant utilizing fully indigenously developed technology will be established in which state? And the answer is Arunachal Pradesh. 16th question, recently India and which country signed a landmark free trade agreement? And the answer is United Kingdom. 17th question, recently re-owned theatre personality and Padma Shri awardee Ratan Thiam died at the age of 77, in which year he was awarded with Padma Shri? And the answer is 1989. 18th question, who won the gold medal in the long jump event at the World Athletics Portugal Sport Meet 2025 with a jump of 7.75 meters? And the answer is Murali Sri Shankar. 19th question. Recently, who has successfully launched the Samudra Prachet pollution control vessels built for the Indian Coast Guard? And the answer is Goa Shipyard Limited. 20th question. In which country the replica of the Ashoka pillar was unveiled in July 2025? And the answer is Sri Lanka. 21st question. Which position has India got in the recently released Hanley Passport Index 2025? And the answer is 77th position. 22nd question. Which country has recently launched a comprehensive artificial intelligence action plan titled Winning the Race? And the answer is America. 23rd question. In which state has the establishment of India's first Center of Excellence for Hornbill Conservation been announced? And the answer is Tamil Nadu. 24th question. According to a recently released report, India has increased intellectual property filing by how much percent in the last 5 years? And the answer is 44%. And the last 25th question. Recently, scientists of which country have developed the matter to convert CO2 into food? And the answer is China. तो ये थे 25 जुलाई 2025 के टॉप 25 करंट अफेयर MCQs। और अब आते हैं क्वेश्चंस ऑफ द डे पे। तो आज के क्वेश्चंस ऑफ द डे का पहला क्वेश्चन, हु हैज़ बीन इलेक्टेड एज द न्यू चेयरमैन ऑफ द गुजरात कोऑपरेटिव मिल्क मार्केटिंग फेडरेशन, द पेरेंट बॉडी ऑफ अमूल? Second question, Geeta Gopinath was the deputy head of which of the following international organization who has resigned from her post? Third question, which state or UT has increased the cash awards for Olympic and Paralympic medal winners to promote youth empowerment in sports? Fourth question, PhonePe recently launched co-branded credit cards in partnership with which credit card issuer? And the last fifth question, which small finance bank has partnered with Shriram Life Insurance to act as its corporate agent? तो इन पांचों क्वेश्चन का आंसर आपको कमेंट करके बताना है।